Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Derivative of product of two functions, which is generally known as the product rule. And what is this? F of x into g of x whole prime equals to f prime x into gx plus f of x into g prime x. The proof of product rule, we are going to prove it by the first principle. So let's take y equals to f of x into g of x. Y plus del y becomes f of x plus del x into g of x plus del x. Then to evaluate del y, bring y towards the right hand side and you will get it like this. Now put y equals to f of x into g of x and our expression takes the shape del y is equal to f of x plus del x into g of x plus del x minus f of x into g of x. Now we are going to make some adjustments here. We are going to subtract and add the product of f of x and g of x plus del x from this expression. Let's see, we are going to subtract f of x into g of x plus del x and we are going to add f of x into g of x plus del x from this expression. You can see it like there. Del y is equal to f of x plus del x into g of x plus del x, then minus f of x into g of x plus del x, then plus f of x into g of x plus del x, and then minus f of x into g of x. You can see this term has been subtracted and added into this expression. Now what do we see? We see that g of x plus del x is common in these first two terms and f of x is common in these last two terms. So we are going to take these common. G of x plus del x common from these two and we get this. F of x common from these two and we get this. Now we go for the next step of the first principle method, that is divide both the sides by del x. So you can see we divide both the sides by del x. So f of x plus del x minus f of x by del x into g of x plus del x plus f of x into g of x plus del x minus g of x divided by del x. Now we are going to apply the limit as del x tends to 0. And where we are going to put the limit? We are going to write limit here and here and here and here and here. Just like that. Limit when del x tends to 0, del y by del x is equal to limit when del x tends to 0, f of x plus del x minus f of x by del x. Limit when del x tends to 0, g of x plus del x. Limit when del x tends to 0 of f of x and limit when del x tends to 0 of g of x plus del x minus g of x divided by del x. Now what will be the results of these limits? This limit will become dy by dx. This limit will become d by dx of f of x. This limit, just put del x equals to 0 and it will become g of x plus 0. We will write it as gx. This limit will not affect f of x because it does not have any del x in it. So it will remain fx and this limit will become d by dx of g of x. Here you can see it. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of f of x into gx plus f of x into d by dx of g of x. You may write y equals to f of x into g of x so you can see the whole result, and you may also write the same result for in the shape of prime, that is f of x into g of x whole prime equals to f prime x into gx plus f of x into g prime x, and our result is proved. You must note that this rule can be extended to the product of any number of functions. For example, if you have a product of 3 functions and you have to take its derivative, what you will do? Take the derivative of the first, the next 2 remain constant. Then first remain constant, last remain constant, and we take the derivative of second. Then first 2 remain constant and we take the derivative of the third, and that completes the result.